Hey guys, I was trying to set up around the Christmas tree. I'm not really sure it worked, but I was so excited. We finally set up our Christmas tree this weekend, or yesterday, Wednesday, some random day. My husband's going out of town, so I was like, we gotta get it done now or it's just never gonna happen before Christmas. So definitely an important thing in everybody's Christmas for sure. I hope you guys are having a very Merry Christmas. It's just like the best time of the year, right? I mean, you've got like happiness everywhere. You go shopping and it's just like everybody's so happy. I love it. Even with masks on, you can tell people are smiling. You can see it in their eyes. It's just the best time of year. I love it. The only thing that could be better, and some people might curse me, but I really miss snow. I love snow. I hope it snows this year. Oh, we got a cat in the background. Do you guys cats like the tree? She's really intrigued by it, but she's never really done anything bad to our tree yet. So I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that it all works out well. We got the lights on. We started putting a few ornaments on and life happened, you know, and it's not done yet, but we will get done. But I wanted to share a project, gnomes. I love gnomes. In fact, I bought some gnomes today, some cute fabric ones from the local little store that we have, and I just love it. But I'm going to share some ornaments that I made using the set. Hello, Sharon. Hi, Kylie. Thanks for joining me, guys. So these are just the cutest little gnomes, and it was so simple. It was so quick and simple, easy. You guys can absolutely do it yourself. So I did kind of 3 little variations for my tree. Here are the gnomes, and I kind of wanted to share it with you guys. Kind of like a super simple. These are the type of projects that take so little time, and you can absolutely do it and have like the funnest time for sure. Hi, Deb. Okay, so I'm going to share these templates. They're so cute. So first of all, you've got the legs, right? And then this little foot makes like the perfect little nose for the gnome. So if you look, like I just kind of use that to do the gnome, do the nose. So basically this is kind of standard. Hi, Debbie. Super standard. But then you have like 3 different, like I love that you can kind of mix and match and play, and like there's so much fun. Even if you don't like gnomes, like this could be fun. Like even you don't have to love gnomes to really like use them on your layouts, right? Like I don't love boats, but I'm probably gonna use boats if I need to. Hey gal, thank you so much. Hey Retta. Yeah, these are like the funnest things. I want everybody to make them because they're so fun. So there are 3 different beards. You know, so you can kind of mix and match and play with all these different beards. So Melissa, this was the December Kiwi Club kit. So I know I've seen a lot of people wanting them, but for sure, if you join Kiwi Club this month, next month around the 15th of the month, they go for sale. So you have access to past months. So it's not, it is part of the Kiwi Club. I also think though this same type of principle could be used using like the woodland creatures or the build a snowman. Like how cute would the little snowman be on here? Let me see. I'm gonna go grab it just a second. I actually have all my templates out right now. So like this same principle of these wood pieces 100% can be used with lots of different templates. So even if you just wanted to do a smaller one, like, so like you could put a little snowman with, I should do that actually. I have a few more wood planks. Maybe I'll do a snowman today. You know, like with the little top hat and stuff would be really cute. So I wanted to share, so these wood things I got from Craft Warehouse. So it's a local craft store, which I don't know how far, like I'm in Boise, so I don't know how far flung they are. That's not the right word. I don't know how many other craft warehouses there are except for Boise. And so they're just wood pieces, and I I felt really proud. I went and drilled little holes in them myself. And it was kind of one of those moments where it was like this week that we're really trying to be grateful. It was right around Thanksgiving, and I was like, I'm so glad that I know how to drill a hole in an ornament. Silly thing to be really grateful for, but super easy. Just drilled it through, not hard at all. And then just string. I think this is kind of may have a little wax around it, but you could use any type of baker's twine, anything like that. Tied a knot, super simple. I use felt. Oh, his little shoe thing came off. It's probably the problem with using stickers. I probably should hot glue that on. I use some felt stacks from Target. They come in little squares, and they're a little bit harder felt, so I feel like it's a little easier to manipulate for stuff like this. Super easy. So I would recommend maybe, because there's some really soft felt. Oh, girl, thank you. Craft warehouses in Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. For sure. Like, these are just like wood slices, right? They're nothing special. So I bet they have them at Hobby Lobby. I didn't look, but anything. And you probably get different sizes and do different things. Oh, Lisa, I'm so glad. So I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to hold it up. This is the kit. And I'm like, even if you don't necessarily like gnomes, like, don't use that paper. But look at that. I love that. It's like a snow polka dot. Those stripes are killer. I love them. So, I mean, personally, I could not get enough gnomes. I went and bought some today, like I said. They're absolutely adorable. Oh, and then I never showed. So there are 3 little hats, which these hats are the cutest things ever. And I use them on a little card, adding them to like woodland creatures, which woodland creatures would be really cute on these as well. You could absolutely use them to have like a little squirrel or a little owl on your tree. That could be really, really cute. Especially like if you wanted like white owls, could be really fun if you have like a really white tree. I've seen a lot of, my mother-in-law has all these white trees and stuff. A red truck pickup, if you use the pickup, could be using. Ooh, I hope yours comes today too, Leslie. I'm sure it will. I hope so. Anyway, so these are the 3 that I did, and I have a few other ideas, varying success of ideas. I just traced out the joy on here and then painted it and hand painted it. You'll see I did it twice and I messed up on this one, so you know, it's a little, hand painting is hard. And then just use, this is from the Built a Snowman, this little banner and stuff. I was trying out this. I think the gold on there is kind of pretty, so you can definitely use paint with the templates on these. Really fun, kind of mixing the felt and the paint. This is from Tiny Traditions. Nope, Tiny Holiday. I think it's Tiny Holiday. So just some cute little these are the holly and the leaves, and then just some cute little pom-poms. There we go, they're vertical. So that was kind of a fun way to use them too. And then this one I really just painted and put a sticker, but I kind of like having a selection of them so that you have a few around the tree. Honestly, I probably wish I would have just made more gnomes. So the fun thing with the gnomes is like you can absolutely like, so I added a little palm on the top of that hat. I just used the template. Which one did I use? Here's that hat. So I just used the template and traced these little sides and then just freehand to create like the little different colors, kind of adding texture, adding kind of fun dimensions. You'll see this in the PDF. There's a lot of ideas. Like this little buckle is really cute. I don't remember who did that. I think it was Susan, but super cute on a lot of those. I just used hot glue to glue these down. I tried using some of the tape like that I use with scrapbooking. Did not work great. And so definitely hot glue is the best option, especially for something like home decor, because you're wanting it to last longer. So definitely hot glue is the way to go. Diane, I have some fun foam. that might be kind of fun for sure. Definitely a way for the kids to play. And while I was doing this, my kids were definitely wanting to have a little fun. So I bought a little cute little felt board for my kids for Christmas, and I was like, I think I'm gonna make these where they can mix and match and kind of make their own little, I've done that with woodland creatures, but for sure I think I'm gonna do them with the gnomes, kind of a fun little holiday thing. Anyway, so that is my tip for today. This idea is in the gift giving guide. A reminder, if you purchase anything in the month of October, you get the free gift giving guide, and these are one of the ideas in there for sure. A lot of fun. And then I'd like to see if you guys make anything with felt or any ornaments. I'd love to see them. Make sure you're sharing them. And yeah, keep playing and creating this holiday season. We'll talk to you later. Bye.